So here we have the Vintoney 500ml snow mountain humidifier. So first of all, let's comes as a nice attractive humidifier, nice and white. You get the USB cable and very simple set of instructions. Unscrew the bottom, takes 500ml of water, which I've already brought in, and there's your diffusers and everything else inside there. You get some replacement filters, and they come in the box. You get 3 altogether. One's already built in, and then the other 2 is in the box. And literally just unscrew them and put them straight in, replace inside the actual filter. So it's very attractive. Only works from power, so you have to plug in your USB light. Plug in your USB light in there, and you have a control button on the back side here. So press it once, short press once, and it goes up. A second press makes it intermittent. There you go. And a third press switches off. Now if you do one long press, so let's get it going. If you do one long press, the light comes on. A second press, a second long press. It goes like a night light, on and off. And then the third long press turns the light off. And that's it. We have found here sitting, we've had it in a lounge, and we have found that it does help me breathe a little bit more. Makes it a bit more fresher, because obviously we've got a stove burner, and this will be moving up to my daughter's bedroom, who suffers a bit from asthma, and just keep the moisture in her bedroom for her. Very impressed actually, and I think it's a great idea.